But I would like to say one thing, that since I've been Chief Justice, I have not received a single complaint from any High Court judge that there has been interference in their work. Now, if there has been interference in their work, it has not been reported to me. And all the incidents that were mentioned were before my watch, before I took the oath as Chief Justice. So this is a thing to bear in mind, because interference is not acceptable, but at the same time, nothing has been reported to me during my watch. I would just want to commend the various initiatives that have been taken by this association on human rights. The ambulance and heart attacks were mentioned. I hope it's not the judges who cause these heart attacks. Chief Justice Saab. So don't give them a tough time.